40 years ago, it wasn't easy to believe that a domestic consulting company could develop and build sufficient capacity and experience to become an EPC contractor in Vietnam's power plant construction industry. Based on its core consulting strength, PECC2 has developed and formed a business field with three main areas: consulting and power project developments, business, and investing in power source projects. In the field of consulting, PECC2 is a strong brand in surveying and consulting on the construction of energy projects, with typical projects such as Trian, Thakmore, Ham Thuan, Dami, Buong Quap, Avuan Hydropower Project, Phumi, Nan Trake, Oman Thermal Power Project, along with a Kien Bin Phu Quoc 220 kV line project and a power supply project from the national grid for Con Dao District. PECC2 is proud to be a pioneering consulting company in the country, working as a project management contractor for large power projects in Vietnam, such as Vinh Tan 1, Duyen Hai 2 Thermal Power Plant, Thác Ba 2 Hydropower Plant. Adapting to new technology, PECC2 is a market leader in the research and application of technological solutions to project implementations, ranging from underground cables, gas insulator substations, and underground stations to sea lines and various types of power plants using gas turbines, pump storage hydropower, offshore wind power, and green hydrogen production. PECC2 has established the Digital Capability Center to provide BIM and scan to BIM design services, thereby contributing to delivering high-quality digital products and services to clients. For business activities, PECC2 has achieved significant achievements in terms of size and service quality, including EPC contractor, mechanical manufacturing and equipment production, and power plant operation management. Starting as a member of the EPC complex in the Vinh Tan 4 and Vinh Tan 4 Extension Thermal Power Plant project, PECC2 has expanded its EPC services to include renewable energy projects totaling over 450 megawatts. Tan Thuan Wind Power Plant project is the first nearshore wind power project where PECC2 performed the role of main EPC contractor. Coming to the Haojiang Biomass Power Plant, PECC2 once again affirmed its capacity as an EPC contractor and operation manager. This is the largest biomass energy plant using rice husk fuel, and it is expected to come into operation for the first time in Vietnam. PECC2 is also the first unit in Vietnam to invest in a large-scale integrated battery energy storage system (BESS), and is pioneering in applying advanced energy storage technologies with smart grid to be able to carry out projects during the construction phase as a contractor implementing EPC contracts. PECC2 is gradually converting from an EPC management model to an EPCM, according to the standard and international guidelines. PECC2 has researched and applied modern technology platforms in the digital environment to perform this management work. In mechanical manufacturing and equipment production, PECC2 has mastered the technology of designing and manufacturing auxiliary systems for power plant coal and mechanical processing and manufacturing for energy projects, in addition to traditional products for power grid and civil projects. Regarding renewable energy, especially solar energy, PECC2 has provided structure and installed the entire power plant with a total capacity of more than 350 megawatts, installed and used 2.5 megawatts rooftop solar power to generate and supply to the electrical market. PECC2 has also been involved in the manufacturing and installation of biomass power plants such as fuel delivery systems, warehouses and lifting equipment, as well as the partial production and installation of the boiler, steam turbine generator building, and other power plant infrastructure. PECC2's Power Operation and Management Service manages and operates as a total capacity of 5,000 megawatts, generating more than 350 million kWh of electricity monthly. PECC2 prioritizes O&M services as one of the critical business areas, capitalizing on advancing the company's strengths to become the top company in providing O&M services for power plants, transformers, and power transmission lines. PECC2 is also equipped with a remote power plant management and operation control center, as well as a simulator center with an OTS simulation operation training system, which optimizes operating modes and reduces expenses. Moving on to the investment, PECC2 focuses on clean energy projects such as mini hydropower, solar power, wind power, biomass power, and gas-fueled power plants. In particular, PECC2 participates in cable contribution. It executes full turnkey EPC contracts and O&M services, maximizing consulting capacity and constantly expanding services in the value chain that PECC2 contributes to each project. To foster a culture of continuous innovation, PECC2 organizes scientific and applied research projects, specialized electrical system reports seminars and forums, and actively trains its personnel to improve their qualifications through flexible and diverse platforms.